In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method on Airbnb. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your preferred card or PayPal the default for future bookings. Start by heading to airbnb.com and signing into your account. If you're on a computer, use your browser. The process is very similar on mobile, but I'll describe it on desktop for clarity. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. Click that, then choose Account. This takes you to your main account settings where you can manage personal details and, most importantly for today, your payment options. In the left-hand menu, find and select Payments and Payouts. This section is where Airbnb keeps anything related to how you pay for trips and for hosts how you get paid. We're focusing on the Payment Methods area, so click Payment Methods. Here, you'll see any cards or services you've already saved. From this page, you can add a new credit or debit card, add PayPal if it's supported in your country, remove old cards you no longer use, and choose which method should be your default. Your default is the one Airbnb will automatically suggest at checkout, so picking the right one saves time and prevents mix-ups. To add a new method, click Add Payment Method. A secure form appears. Carefully enter your card number, the expiration date, and the CVV, which is the 3 or 4-digit security code on your card. Then, type in the billing address exactly as it appears on your card statement. Matching the address and postal code helps avoid declines or verification errors. If your bank uses additional verification, you may see a quick pop-up or prompt to confirm the card. Just follow the on-screen instructions. When everything looks correct, click Save. Airbnb will store the method and return you to the list. Now make it your default so it's used automatically next time. Look for the option to set as default, next to the new card or PayPal entry, and select it. If you still see an old card marked as default, switch it here. While you're on this page, consider removing any outdated or expired cards. That keeps your account tidy and prevents accidental charges to the wrong method. That's it. You've signed in, navigated to account, opened payments and payouts, selected payment methods, added your details, saved them, and set your new default. You're ready for a smoother checkout on your next Airbnb booking.